Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use flax seeds in the smoothie to grow your breast. So if you guys haven't checked out my recent videos, I have one on 3 tips on how to grow your breast, as well as how to use fenugreek oil to grow your breast. And you guys seem to really love these videos, so I'm definitely going to keep making them. And I did receive several questions in my recent video, and people were saying like, I can't purchase fenugreek, I can't get a hold of it. And I definitely understand fenugreek could be, kind of like a scarce, product. So I said I definitely need to tell them about this superfood, flax seeds, because they're so essential in breast growth. So let me tell you guys a little bit about flax seeds. So flax seeds are actually a soluble fiber from Europe and also Asia, and it comes in several different colors like yellow, brown, or even red in its whole form. So you can either buy it whole or you can buy it ground. Flax seeds are one of the most healthiest foods that you can eat, and it's actually a superfood. So it contains so many vitamins and minerals, but most importantly, it contains omega-3s and is highly rich in phytoestrogens. Literally just by using 2 tablespoons of flax seeds per day, I've really been able to see major results. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this smoothie. Before we get to this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and let's head to the kitchen. All right guys, so what you will need for this lovely smoothie is an apple, of course. So I already actually cut them in cubes. And then you will need some pineapple juice. You will pretty much need like a half a cup, but if you want to make more, I would suggest using 1 full cup. Now this is optional. You can use ginger, like literally just a dash, but you don't have to use it, but I do because ginger is so important for your immune system, especially in these times right now, and it's also really good for your digestive system. And pretty much honestly, this entire drink is excellent for your digestive system because apples contain pectin. So yeah, and then of course you'll definitely need your ground flax seeds. I use 2 tablespoons, but you can use however many that you want. Like I said, it all depends on the volume of how much you're going to drink. And then of course your blender. So we're gonna put all this together inside the blender, and then I'll see you in a second. So here is the finished smoothie. It's so delicious. Like, honestly, you can't even really taste the nuttiness in it. The apples and the ginger and the pineapple really mask that nutty taste. It actually is very, very sweet. And, you know, just know that, you know, if you don't like apples or any of the ingredients here, you can add whatever, you know, ingredients that you like. Just manipulate it to your taste and your liking. So this is such a delicious and healthy drink to also see breast growth. So that was our tasty flaxseed breast growth drink. And I know some of you guys are gonna ask me, all right, can I use other fruits, maybe vegetables? Yes, the answer is yes. You don't have to use apples if you don't like it. You can use any fruit that you like. The thing about flaxseed, like I said, is even though it has that nutty taste, any fruit or vegetable will probably mask that taste anyway. So you pretty much can use anything that you like. And if you don't like actual flax seeds, you can use flaxseed oil. Just make sure that you're using the same amount of tablespoons that is comparable to the flax seed. Now, for those of you guys that don't like smoothies, you can also use flaxseed oil and put it in juice. Just put about a tablespoon or so, and trust me, it'll dissolve well and you'll barely even taste it. And also, if you don't like smoothies, you definitely could just use flax seeds and sprinkle it on your bread, your eggs, your salads, pretty much any meal. And it's just as equivalent as using flax seeds in a smoothie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below any questions you have. I'm here to talk to you. I'm here to respond to you guys. But be sure you also hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.